Here we go. Okay, we're taking off. We're flying right now. Record. We're making sure it's recording. Here we go. Recording. Let's fly. Alright, we're going up. We're just gonna check the roof. Whoop. It's very windy. We have to be careful. Let's check the roof only. Let's go over here on this side. We go up. Oh, I see some leaves already. Let's move forward. It's very windy right now. You gotta be careful. I don't want to crash it. Hup. Let's go on this side. Let's turn around. You see? That's my neighbor's roof. Everything is clean. Alright, let's go around. There we go. Let's go on my side now. Let's see, that's my roof. There we go. We're going. Okay, let's bring the camera down. Up, zoom, that's zoom. Let's go down. Here we go. That's the thing I have to clean. But not right now. Let's go on the other side. Let's turn the camera. Okay, the other side is clean. Let's go on the other side. He's the troublemaker. The troublemaker is this pine tree over here. When this thing breaks, it goes to my roof. It's not part of the property. Alright, let's go. You want to move forward? Let's move forward. But it's windy. Here we go. Watch for the wire. I'm just gonna blow it out. Right here on the other side. Let the shed. Alright, let's see my neighbor's roof. It's always clean. Only one shed over there. You got a nice spot. Nothing on this side. It's clean. Oh God, hey, here we go. We're gonna go back. Alright, so windy. Camera is shaking. The drone is shaking. Let's go. Up, 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 up. Don't go up. Move forward. Alright. So windy. Camera, yes. That's me, the grumpy old man right there. Hello. So windy. Let's go on this side. Shaking right now. Alright, let's go around. Bring it up, bring it down. So windy.